In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Outlook.com storage limit in OneDrive. If you've been getting warnings that your storage is almost full, this process will help you see exactly what's taking up space and how to clear it out. The nice thing is that Microsoft lets you review both OneDrive files and Outlook attachments from one place, so you can quickly decide what to keep and what to remove. To get started, open OneDrive in your web browser and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look for Settings, then choose the option to manage storage. This is the main area where you can check how much of your storage is being used. On the storage management page, take a moment to review the breakdown of space being used by OneDrive and Outlook. Near the bottom of the storage card, you should also see an option to free up space. This section is especially useful because it points you toward the biggest storage categories, including OneDrive files and Outlook attachments. If you click OneDrive, the page will reload and show you which files are using the most storage in your OneDrive account. This makes it much easier to identify large files that may no longer be needed. If you want to remove anything from this view, simply select the files you want to delete, then click the Delete button that appears at the top. Before deleting, it's always a good idea to double check that you won't need those files again. Next, go back to the Manage Storage page. This time click Outlook Attachments. A new tab will open and take you to your Outlook account, where you will be shown larger emails that may be using a lot of storage. From here, you can delete emails you no longer need in order to free up space. This is particularly helpful if your mailbox is filling up because of messages with big attachments. After that, return to OneDrive and click Recycle Bin from the left-hand pane. Browse through the files there and see if there's anything still sitting in the bin. Remember, deleted files in the recycle bin can still take up storage until they're permanently removed. Select the files you want to completely get rid of, then click Delete at the top. If you want to clear everything at once, you can also click Empty Recycle Bin. Once you've done that, your storage usage should be more manageable, and you'll have a clearer view of what's consuming space across OneDrive and Outlook. And that's it.